Our journey through Rio de Janeiro begins right here at Marina da Glória, just steps away from Santos Dumont Airport. As the boat heads out, Guanabara Bay opens up like a living postcard. The wind on your face, the sparkle on the water, and that unique feeling of freedom make time slow down. And once we reach the open sea, Rio reveals its greatness, a perfect meeting of nature, history, and an endless horizon. Here, the boat ride isn't just about sailing, it's about feeling the heartbeat of the Carioca spirit in every wave. Facing Brazil's most famous beach stands one of its greatest icons, the Copacabana Palace. A hotel that isn't just a hotel, it's a living legend. Kings, artists, and celebrities from all over the world have stayed here. But the real magic lies in the details. The marble floors, the grand halls, the timeless charm. Everything makes you feel like you're inside a classic film. And while Copacabana's vibrant energy fills the streets outside, the Copacabana Palace remains elegant, sophisticated, and absolutely unforgettable. In the heart of the city, the Botanical Garden feels like an enchanted sanctuary, a place where silence has its own sound, and every step reveals a new form of beauty. The imperial palm trees, the lakes, the flowers, everything seems carefully placed by someone who deeply respects nature. It's amazing how just a few minutes can take you from urban rush to complete peace. The Botanical Garden isn't just a visit, it's a pause, a deep breath, a reconnection with life. Our journey continues to Grumari, one of Rio de Janeiro's most preserved and stunning beaches. Here, nature is in charge. The strong waves, the soft sand, the mountains surrounding the beach, everything feels designed for those who love freedom and tranquility. Grumari is the kind of place that makes you forget about the world. A paradise far from the city rush, where every minute feels precious. And when the sunlight hits the ocean, creating golden reflections, it's impossible not to fall in love with this special corner of Rio. And it's in the calm waters of Rodrigo de Freitas Lagoon that Rio prepares for one of its most unforgettable experiences. The still water, the mountains surrounding it, and the gentle breeze create a scene that looks hand-painted. But once the panoramic flight begins, everything changes. The city reveals itself in a way only those who fly above can truly understand. The lagoon, the beaches, the hills, the forests, the buildings, everything blends into a perfect harmony found nowhere else in the world. From above, Rio de Janeiro is not just a city, it's a masterpiece.